All right, so I'm going to show you the quickest way how to make your first $1,000 starting selling on Amazon. So first things first, you're going to set up an LLC with your state. Best website to use for the quickest way is busy.com, used to be Inkfile. You're going to set up your LLC. After you click the cheapest package, I think it's $75, you're going to create an EIN. So you're going to go to the irs.gov website, create an EIN. So now you have an LLC and an EIN. After that, you're going to create an Amazon seller account, professional account. You're going to create the account with your LLC and your EIN number. Next, you're going to find a supplier just like this, Websteron store. They have 420,000 products that you can scan and source from. So you're going to create this, open an account with your business, submit your tax exemption documents. So you're tax exempt, you push the tax onto the consumer that purchases from Amazon. They have a great free shipping as well. You pay $100 a month and all your shipping's covered. So if you're ordering bulk, it's definitely worth it. After that, you're going to scan Websteron. You're going to find products, reverse source, use SellerAmp, Keepa, and you'll find a product like this. Tablecraft, 1 cup stainless steel measuring cup. According to Amazon, 1,000 bought in the past month. According to SellerAmp, 2,323. According to Keepa, is what I really go off of. You go to track product data offers, and you can see how many were sold in the past 30 to 90 days. I always go off the 90-day mark. So after going through this, I'll divide the amount of sales by the amount of FBA sellers because I'm an FBA seller. And I will come up with a number of how many I should purchase. So if there's 3,000, or for this, there's 575 units sold in 1 month. According to this graph says 2,323, and this says 1,000. I'm always going to go off of Keepa. That's just the way I do it. I know I could sell this product for $8.99. I get it for $1.74. $1.74 off of Websteron. With a $8.99, that's a 117% ROI. Say I can sell 100 to 200 of these in a month. You're making $2 off of this. So 2 times 100, there's $200 right there. And you rinse and repeat, find the next product, and so on and so forth. I'm just going to go over here real quick. So I'm going to see I get it for $1.74. My cost is, or the sale is $8.99, cost $1.74. We're doing FBA. Profit, $2.05 ROI. So max cost, total fees, referral fee is $1.35 from Amazon. FBA fulfillment fee is $3.31. I have it set for prep fees, 50 to 60 cents. Inbound shipping cost, 0.04 cents. So with all of that factored in, if you're using a prep center, put in the prep fee. We're tax exempt on this because we set up an LLC and we submitted our tax exemption paperwork with Websteron. You can do this with lots of suppliers. Websteron is just one, and this gets your accurate data. So if we're selling 100 a month, we can make $205 profit. So this is how you do it. You find good products, you find good suppliers. Websteron is a great one. There's a lot of online wholesale. You can buy online wholesale, but the key is setting up an LLC and dialing in your Amazon seller account. Get ungated, start buying products, and rinse and repeat. You find 5 of these, you got $1,000 a month profit if you can sell that amount in a month. So this is just a quick rundown how you can do this. Any more information, definitely give me a follow on Instagram at DG_Gonzo. Like, subscribe. There's more of this coming. Peace.